morning, afternoon, whatever time you're seeing this. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kemisha, aka Alan's mommy, and this channel is about everything mom related. So thank you for stopping by. Anywho, today is just a regular day, and I decided that I would just vlog. Amari's school decided to do online schooling, so they're doing it via Zoom. So he's doing that now while I try to just clean up a little bit. But guys, initially with the whole online thing, Amari was so bored. He's still so bored, but it's like but no, it's a little bit better. The teacher is more engaging and stuff, so I think he's enjoying it a little bit more, and I allow him to do it because I just think he doesn't interact much with anybody else because he's always at home with me. So I guess seeing the other kids and stuff would kind of be nice, but the challenge with online is that he's not focused. Like, he's all over the place. You guys know Amari, how he's always all over the place and stuff, is the same way. So I still have to do lessons with him and stuff like that, just to ensure that everything is reinforced, ensure that he's taught what I want him to know, what I think he should be learning, and everything like that. So I'll show you a clip of the first day, and then I think the second day or something. So it's better now. He's around his room doing it. I decided that the first week I was there with him for the entire time during the classes, but now I decided that I am not going to be sitting down with him for the entire class. If he needs me around there, then I'll go and like unmute his mic, mute his mic and stuff like that, and if he needs my assistance doing anything, then I will assist. But I just didn't want him, because I realized that when I'm there, he's seeking my approval for everything and asking me everything, and I know that he can do stuff by himself, so I leave him so that he develops a sense of independence. Like, I just don't want to be there over and over him, you know. So he's there doing his thing now, so I'm going to show you him now, and then I'm going to show you like clippings of him before. So yeah, hold on. Count. Not counting. So have a break. You're not enjoying class?
I want to have a break.
So you guys see what I'm talking about. I have to go around there quite a few times just to ensure that he's paying attention and participating and stuff like that, because if you allow him, he will just stand around there and all on an ed and a play and a total different thing from what the teacher did on the computer talk about. So I think it's going to take a lot of getting used to with this whole online thing. He doesn't enjoy it very much, but he tolerates it. But yeah, so that's that with schooling and stuff. So the schedule that I created originally in the video that you guys have seen before, obviously we don't follow it that much anymore, because it would be like so much for me for him actually to have online and then to do all of that stuff that I initially had planned. After, I think that would just be way too much for a little 3-year-old, I understand. So yeah, that's that. Anyhow, chatting too much. But guys, read the pregnancy. I feel, you know that they say when you're having a girl, the girl takes your beauty or whatever, and you don't look like it's pretty or whatever. But when you're having a boy, you glow and blah blah blah. When I was having Amari, I was glowing basically. So in the last part, you know, my face kind of discolored and these parts get really dark. But no, I don't know if I can like see my face. No. And then these ears, oh my goodness gracious, I keep pulling them out and they just keep growing back so fast. It's just, I just feel like a little monster. So I don't know, it might be a girl. But anyways, I have a doctor's appointment in about, let me see, about 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Today's, Jesus, today when, oh, about 2 weeks. Have a doctor's appointment in about 2 weeks. So I think after that appointment I'm going to be doing an ultrasound, after which we can know the gender, right? So I'm kind of excited now. Like I am excited about it now and stuff. So like I just want to know the gender. I am just not feeling like any kicks or anything like that as yet. I just like feel like a part like stiff up or something like that. But yeah, I'm excited. I just really want to know, and I'm excited to start buying more clothes and yeah. But anywho, oh, I had said in one of my videos before that the first video that I was going to show you my tummy, and I did not because I totally forgot. So I think I'm going to show you now what it looks like. Okay, alright guys, so this is it. And this is I think 17 weeks. So there we have it. Amari's on break now. Guys, back and forth in and out the class is like killing me right now. But Jason just called, say he's coming home, asked me to look for something for him, so I'm going to try look for that now. And I think he might be carrying Lily to the vet. Lily? Because she's not feeling well. I'm not sure what's wrong with her. So, oh, we have a next dog again. So now we have 3 dogs. Hey, Lily. Hey. So this is the other one. This is Bunty. He's a guy. And that's Lily over there, not feeling well today. Alright, it's about 1:30 now. Mari finished school about an hour ago. But usually at this time of the day I feel sick. Like I just vomited up my entire tribe. But I think that was practically because I took too long to eat, because I had breakfast after 8 and I literally just ate like less than half an hour ago, so that's a bit too long. So I'm just going to lie down on the floor a little bit. I know I shouldn't, but yeah. So Amari is there. I think he's watching Marvel, the cartoon now. I'm going to take a nap and catch you on the flip side. Okay, so Jason is up early, so him and Mari they're on the road to ride bicycle, and I'm going to cook some food for dinner. So I'm just going to end the vlog right here. So like up, share up, subscribe up, comment up, and I'll see you next time. I'll show you them. Yeah? Can't race with father. I'm too slow. But you're fast. The puppies are going to come in the race. May I cook? May I cook? I have some on the stove.
Race with us?
Yeah, and daddy go and race. You have to go super fast, yeah? You can do it, come on.
Good job.